Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to know who views your WhatsApp status secretly, which means if you recently upload a status on WhatsApp and you want to see that how many person watch your WhatsApp status secretly. So how you can do about that? So there are many steps for that. The first step is you have to simply upload a status, and after that you have to simply check in your status that that status is showing any kind of views or not. So for example, if you upload a status and after swiping up you can simply see all the views on WhatsApp, but some of the WhatsApp user use unofficial WhatsApp like GB WhatsApp, so they do not show their views on WhatsApp status if they turn on the setting. But if you want to know about anyone who views your WhatsApp status secretly, then what you have to do, you have to simply go to WhatsApp, and after that you have to simply click on three dots, and here you have to go to settings, and here what you have to do, you have to simply go to privacy, and here what you have to do, you have to simply here you have to simply click on privacy, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of read receipts. So what you have to do, you have to simply always turn on the read receipt so that you can receive always receive the receipt that that person has shown your message or not. In this way you can also check whether that anyone who has viewed your status will be shown your views. But if you want to know about who has viewed your WhatsApp status secretly, there is no option available. But if someone uses unofficial WhatsApp or GB WhatsApp, they can simply see that. So there is no option available so that you can check whether that person has seen your WhatsApp secretly or not. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.